first of its kind. It is Philinvest's first ever walk-up community with only 3 floors per building. And it's here in our place in Leganes, Iloilo.
We will be showing an exclusive review of what it's like to wake up and live life in the fullest in Futura Rise.
Futura Rise enjoys a strategic location where residents can thrive at the center of everything. It's a community-centric development where you can live, play, and connect amid refreshing parks and open spaces.
The municipality of Leganes is very grateful to have Philinvest and the Futura homes in the municipality. I know that Philinvest will never regret that they are located. They chose Leganes to be one of the locations in the whole of the province of Iloilo.
Nagsimula lang po kami sa maliit na kwarto, katabi po ng kitchen ng amigo. That was 2014. So that is what we humbly started. But 10 years, we developed a 2-building across Esplanade. And right now, dahil po sa inyo, we are now in the progressive municipality of Leganes.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. We're very happy with the turnout of the event and for the success of this event. And cheers for the future success of Futura Rise. Cheers!